The list of educational institutions independently establishing standards for the programs they implement has expanded in 2012. The presidential decree that was signed in March was the beginning of an important milestone in the history of our university. The management and professors of People's Friendship University of Russia were given the opportunity to create their own educational programs. Till now, only two Russian national universities had this right: Moscow State University and St. Petersburg State University. Now, People's Friendship University of Russia also has this high honor, because People's Friendship University hosts many conferences, roundtables, and other scientific events. For example, the Faculty of Science held the All-Russian Conference Progress of Synthesis, organized by the Departments of Fundamental and Applied Chemistry. More than 450 people took part in the conference. The interest in the conference shown by the chemists showed the recognition of the leading positions of People's Friendship, not only in the sphere of education, but also in the development of science. The participants of the conference Philosophy and Spirituality through Cultural and Religious Traditions, which was organized on the basis of People's Friendship University with the support of the Washington Center for the Study of Values and Philosophy, discussed the question of the values of the spiritual in the conditions of crisis, of multiculturalism and identity. According to the participants of the meeting, it is very important to understand the challenges of the modern world from the point of view of national and global interest. Today, we pay more attention to political and economic issues, and the problem of values and virtue turns out to be secondary. The Department of General Pathology and Pathological Physiology of the Medical Faculty has been occupied with the problem of chronobiology since the 1970s. It is not surprising that the largest international congress of the specialists in the field took place at People's Friendship University of Russia. The participants of the meeting discussed topical issues of chronobiology and chronomedicine, shared their research and scientific achievements. Prospects of popularization of healthy lifestyle among the youth became the topic of the All-Russian Conference Healthy Generation. People's Friendship site was not chosen by chance. The program Students' Health has been successfully implemented almost from the very foundation of the university. This is one of the few universities of Moscow which has its own clinic, hospital, and fitness center. Multicultural and multinational Russia is the theme of the international conference, 5th Batayeva's Conference, which was organized by the Institute of Foreign Languages. The meeting was devoted to the memory of Tamara Batayeva, an outstanding historian. The university actively supports developing areas associated with nanotechnology. The new scientific field requires high-quality training of specialists working at the intersection of several sciences: physics, chemistry, bioengineering technologies, nano and macroelectronics. People's Friendship University of Russia has technical bases located at the engineering faculty and at the research centers and laboratories. Practical need for real nanotechnologies in a real nano industry requires to prepare a great number of highly qualified specialists. Our program deals with such a problem. A breakthrough in the sphere of mechanical engineering on the university level was made by the students of People's Friendship Engineering Faculty. Formula Student is a student competition organized by the community of automotive engineers. To participate in the race, which took place in Italy, students designed and built their own racing car. During the whole history of the competitions, our team was the only one in Russia who passed all the tests from the first attempt. However, the engineering faculty students are not going to rest on laurels. They are to participate in the international competition's Formula SAE, which is to take place on the Formula One racetrack in Germany in 2013. The young racers are getting prepared thoroughly to this competition.
Мы познакомились с итальянцами, с немцами, которые представляли свои
We got
автомобили.
acquainted with Italians, Germans, who were presenting their cars. We shared our experience. They shared their experience. Everybody was surprised that 10 students could build such a car in such a short time, just 4 months.
10 человек построили такой автомобиль.
The Youth for Innovations. That was the slogan of the Second International Youth Social and Economic Forum of Innovations, which took place in People's Friendship University in November. It was organized by the Center of Active Programs to promote employment of People's Friendship students. The forum gathered representatives of the government, business elite, scientists, and everybody who is interested in further development of volunteering and youth entrepreneurship in Russia. The aim of the forum is to attract talented students to developing precise projects in the realization of youth policy. The results of the 2 days' work of the forum demonstrated that young people have a lot of original and successful ideas. The main thing is to support the initiatives and give them green light for their realization. We used this program, presented our projects, which were highly estimated by the specialists. We hope that we will get financial help to develop innovations in Russia. Traditional Science Festival is a sort of result of scientific work of the university during the year. The participants of the festival are all the departments of the university. Students of the agrarian faculty demonstrated a mobile laboratory complex for geodesic surveying of the soil and the equipment for air monitoring of fields. Ecology faculty presented a mobile laboratory equipped with different tools for measuring the radioactivity of the environment. Presentation of the students of the Faculty of Science was the most spectacular, because chemistry is the most illustrative science. Science and studies are always together at the university. Conferences, roundtables, festivals and the days of open doors make studying process in People's Friendship University bright, challenging and full of events.